For those of you who are new to trading, if it don't move, you can't make any damn money.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. It's Tuesday, May 20th, 2025, and you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, European stocks are modestly higher while US equity futures slip. The US dollar remains weak. The Australian dollar is pressured after the RBA's expected 25 basis points rate cut and talk of a larger move. Japanese bonds briefly dipped on a poor auction, but fixed income markets are steady ahead of numerous Fed speakers. Oil trades choppily amid mixed signals from Russia-Ukraine and Iranian nuclear talks, with Iran's supreme leader doubting progress with the US. Key events ahead include Canadian inflation, New Zealand trade data, the G7 finance ministers meeting, several ECB and Fed speakers, and earnings from Home Depot. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you like the show.
Starting with the currency pairs. All right, first thing we're looking at here is the Aussie US dollar. The last signal in the HUD was a short that was 106 bars ago. So that was about 10:55 last night. It has been going down ever since then. We have reached an area of support here, but we blew right through it. We have two times where we have been oversold according to the RSI. The current trend is down right now. AI is also predicting future bar trends to be down. Yes, the trend is very strong. And like I said, we blew through oversold a couple of times. So this may be a good place to take for a bounce up to the other direction. Anything else that I need to say about this? Nope. All right, euro, pound. This has been range bound for several days now. As you can see, the last alert was long, and that was only 13 bars ago. That was right here. That was this morning at 6:30. If you had taken that, you probably would have done okay. But at this point, price is reaching the overbought area. So I wouldn't get in it at this point in time. I'd wait for the next signal to fire off before I did anything. But this is basically a game of Pong, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yep. AI is saying the future bars will be predicted to be bearish. We are pretty close to overbought, but we still got a little ways to go. We're in the 60s. Trend is very weak, though, so I'd be careful of this one.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and become part of the Trade Faction today.
US Canadian dollar. This one is currently, the last alert was short. That was 3 bars ago. So that was like 725-ish. All right. And the trend is bearish. The AI is saying we have future bearish candles to be predicted. This trend is very strong. and we are very close to being oversold. So also this one, like the Aussie one, is almost, or was it the Aussie one or the Euro? I can't remember. But this would be a good place to keep your eyes peeled and maybe get in a long. If I take this trade, I'll wait till it get the closer it can get to this, the more I'm going to like taking a long trade here. That is a counter trend trade because the signal is short, but like I said, that fired at 7:30 and it's almost 8. It's a New York
Probably
overlap
why
in
it hit.
5 minutes, and I'll see what happens there. We just announced Canadian CPI numbers. That's probably what drove this down so hard.
That would do it.
Okay. And then the rest of the day is pretty ho-hum. Nothing really going on. We got news out of the way, so it's just trade-a-roo time. For those of you who are new to trading, if it don't move, you can't make any damn money. And then when our president opens his mouth, it moves like crazy. So I love that man.
Yeah.
All right. So
Absolutely.
that is all I got for today, unless you got something, David.
I'm just looking at waiting for the overlap and see if we get this bounce. All right, happy trading.